Kebab Kabalan, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
As well as helping businesses promote their products to our YVAN Pampanga community. For today's vlog, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Angeles City, particularly in front of Angeles
University Foundation.
And we are featuring this newest burger and kebab store in the town. So this is
YVAN Navy. If you're looking for a biggest burger as of now, or mga bigating burgers, you must check this out.
Yep, so we're gonna get inside. We're gonna give you a quick tour as well as the products. We're gonna promote it as well. So samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
So this is where the magic happens, if you notice, guys. So freshly grounded beef, and then they, cook it straight to the stove right in front of your face while you are ordering it. Ayan, ha. So yung isang burger patty na yun is 1 pound, and you can actually order 1 pound or customize. You can actually customize your burger. So let's get inside. Tara. So this is how it looks like inside the store. Of course, as a disclaimer, sa new normal setup po, very limited po yung mga nagda-dine in. But surprisingly, mga customers po nila dito are willing to wait. Because this is one of a kind. This is first of the kind dito sa Angeles City. And we believe YVAN Navy started in Sampaloc, Manila. I'm surprised na this kind of business is run by a family. This is our food, this is our table. You're gonna enjoy the next clip. Right, so as always, the fun part of the vlog is taste testing, and we would like to inform you guys that this is a partnership video, so more than a review, this is actually promotion of their product. So once again, we would like to thank YVAN Navy for inviting us. Grabe, so generous. And aside from quantity, which is the number of the dishes that they serve us, yung mga quality ng mga food nila dito.
Grabe. Yung mga bigatin na burger na makikita nyo dito around Angeles.
Yes. And if you're that person na nabibitin dun sa mga liit-liit na mga burgers natin dyan, you gotta go for these guys.
Yes.
These are really huge. So let's start with this one. This is actually their quarter pounder.
Yes. Meron din silang ditong mga healthy options like Brekkie Burger, Hungry Burger, which is meron siyang sausage.
Let's talk about the price now. Yung quarter pounder nila is just 60 pesos.
Yes. So this is their triple half burger. Yeah. Siyempre, yung pinakamalaki nila by size is yung 1 pound burger.
Yes.
Yeah.
And meron tayong mga ibang options dito. So meron silang mga rice. So this one is their kebab rice. So ito naman yung kanilang burger rice.
Meron din silang mga in-offer ng mga pitas dito. So meron tayo ditong shawarma pita and kebab pita.
Available dito yung mga cheese quesadillas as well as the beef quesadillas.
And also, sa mga snackers naman, so meron tayo ditong mga wedges, meron tayong beef nachos, and yung kanilang toasted tortillas.
Alright, so enough with the talk, guys. As we always say, this is the fun part of the vlog. We're gonna taste test this.
I wanna taste first yung mga quesadillas nila.
Quesadillas. I'll go for this mga pita. So this is the shawarma. Ayan. Price range starts at 60 pesos. Grabe, for the burger, 60 pesos. For the shawarma is 70 pesos. So, ito yung mga chili yogurt. This is something to check out. Whoa! Okay, let me taste yung spicy yogurt. Wow! Wow, that's real spicy. Okay, so we have a lot of dishes to try. So, I'm gonna leave this one here. So, next I'm gonna try is yung kanilang Hungry Burger. Imagine, this is just 110 pesos. And check out this, guys. This is really huge. So you have your quarter pounder patty, meron tayong sausage, and then in the inside, of course, you have your sauce, your cheese sauce, and yung mga mixed vegetables natin.
So yung cheesy quesadilla nila is sobrang cheesy talaga. Literal na overflowing of cheese siya.
So ako naman, again, this is just the tip of the iceberg. These are Hungry Burger. Sarap ng Hungarian sausage. Yung sausage actually sarap. wow. So juicy. Sarap. Ang sarap, bro. Yeah, if you saw earlier dun sa kung paano nila niluluto to, very fresh ground beef, and then they add the seasonings as well as the herbs and spices, mga ganyan. And then before they serve it to you, it's really hot, it's really fresh, and huge. The difference between this and the 1 pounder is the size, no? So as well as the presentation. The patty is still, kumbaga, the same. Ang ano nga dyan, this is a 1.5 pounder. The other one is a 1 pounder burger. Oof!
So ako lang titikman ko yung kanilang 1 pounder.
Wow! Check this out! So this is a 3-layer burger. Each patty is a half pounder. The sauce, you know?
Wow! Wow! This is the 1 pounder.
Yeah. This is just a slice of them, guys. Okay, let's eat it. As I told you guys, it's so juicy, it's so fresh.
Malalaman mo talaga na yung main patty nila, yung pinaka-burger nila, it's fresh na fresh. Kasi lumalabas pa yung pinaka-ano niya, fats niya.
Yes, exactly. With the way they flavor it, I like it because hindi siya ganun hindi siya ganun kaalat.
Yeah.
So, they're not really after that very strong taste for the burgers.
Kumbaga, sakto
The entire flavor, yeah. Okay, so we still have some, rice dishes that we want to try. Oh, I'm gonna try this one. This is their steak.
Okay, ako naman yung kanilang kebab.
This one. Okay. Surprisingly, all of their rice meals are just 70 pesos.
Swak pa rin sa budget.
Swak pa rin sa budget. I think they really also invest in the flavor ng mga sauces nila. Right? Prices dito, it's worth your money. So, grabe. Let me ask you my final question. So, of all the dishes that we taste, which one's your bet?
Favorite ko dito is yung kanilang 1 pounder burger. Kasi dun mo malalasan talaga yung lasa ng beef. At the same time yung mga sauces nila.
Yeah. Ako, I was actually surprised dun sa shawarma nila. It's also really authentic. So I'm also betting for their burgers.
Yes.
If you like the food that you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up. You are looking for this kinds of food.
Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
This is